Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to export deals from HubSpot. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hubspot.com. Log in with your account and from the dashboard, go to CRM. Now you will see the deals option. Click on this and then use filters. You will see the advanced filter option right here. Click on this and here you can see the options like pipeline, deal stage, owner or date range. There are so many options you can export. Then once you are done with all of this, click on the export button at the top right side and you will see a pop-up window will appear. Now here you have to choose file format. From the drop down menu, you will see there are options like CSV, XLS, XLSX, and then it's depend on what tools you are using. When you are done with this, you will see the language column. Select the language as per your need, and once you are done with all of this, click on the export button, and your file will either download it instantly or to be sent to your email. And that's it. You are done. HubSpot deal data exported in just minutes. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.